Hey there, Sankar, everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. Today, I'm going to be talking about another Islamic finance, or you can say finance tool, that a lot of Muslims can use to help them raise funds or make a pool of money that can help them in making investments or paying off something that's an expensive asset that they're trying to purchase. So, without any further ado, let's get this video started. So this is called peer-to-peer lending, and this is a system that is used worldwide, especially in the Muslim countries. It's also known as a committee system, where it's a simple trust-based system. And I mean, I know in the West, this is the funniest thing. We talk about morals and ethics in third world Muslim countries. In a community, there's so much trust within each other that people have, and it comes to things that uphold aspects of morality and respect within society, that people will never mess around with it. Whereas in the West, you'll have issues with your tenants paying money to you, never paying your rent. If they borrowed money from you, well, say bye to them because they're not paying back your money and stuff like that. So anywho, so how the system works is where a pool of maybe 10, 20, 30, 40 people get together. They establish a monthly value that they're going to put into this pool, and every month that one person wins from that pool, and they keep doing this until every person has gotten a share, gotten one full pool return. So for example, let's say there's 10 people, they all get together, let's say 12, just to keep life very simple. Let's say there's 12 people, and those 12 people, all of them put in $500 per month into this pool, so that's about $6,000, correct? And every month that $6,000 gets, through a lucky draw, gets paid out to one of the people. But that person who gets the $6,000, let's say if I win the $6,000 the first month, we've all put in the money. It's the first month, it's January. We take out the money. I got the $6,000. I still have to pay in $500 till the ending of the year, till everybody has been paid out the $6,000. So, we select one person who can be the moderator of the money, and then, or we can just say everybody meets up at this house at this day on this time of the month. So the first of the month at 8 p.m. we meet up, we bring the $500, and we all put in a bucket, and then we do the lucky draw. That person winner, he gets the thing, but his name is out of the lucky draw for the next month, right? And you keep doing it until everybody gets out a $6,000. Now what happens with this is that $500 may not be a lot, like for a monthly, like you have a big expenditure, it may not be a lot, but $6,000 is. And so what you can do is, you do this, and you get a big payout of $6,000. But I know people who are on committee or this peer-to-peer lending system where they have 2 years or 3 years, and everybody's putting in like $5,000 to $10,000. Now imagine after 3 years you've put in $5,000 a month, and now you get a big payout back. That's 12 times 3, which is 36. 36 times, let's say 10,000. That's $360,000, and you can take $360,000 and you can do a big investment with it, and you can potentially put it down for as a down payment for a halal loan. I'm not saying conventional mortgages, but halal systems. So this is a solution, and I think a lot of brothers should look into it. There are institutions that are doing this in certain countries like Pakistan. I've seen it also being happening in Turkey, and one of the coolest things is that I know companies that are working to bring this onto the blockchain. Well, I don't know if there's companies, but I know people who are thinking about bringing it to the blockchain. And if it comes to the blockchain, then it's like an easier way of doing it, because you can do SPTs, and from that you can establish a reserve system, and it's a smart contract. So, and the smart contract will automatically do the lucky draw, and it'll pay out automatically on whichever time frame you use. It doesn't have to be a month. It could be on a weekly basis. It could be on a yearly basis. Whatever you guys want to do, you guys can establish this. So it's pretty simple. It's easy to use, and people have been doing this for the last, I don't know, hundreds of years in countries where conventional banking is not the biggest norm. Yeah, and it's away from riba. It's very easy to use, and it's halal. Yeah, if you are someone that has experienced this or used this or know people who use this, let me know what your experience has been in the comments below. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments or anything else, put them in the comments below. Check me out on my other social media. Like, share, subscribe this video. You can send this to somebody else. If you have a big group of friends or WhatsApp group, you can send it to them and be like, hey guys, do you want to do this? All of us will be ending up having a big sum of money at the ending of it, and we all can buy our Lamborghinis at the ending of it.
Oh my God! Wow!
or whatever you want to buy, cat. Um, so yes, share with your friends, like, share, subscribe. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.